Ohayo gozai today, we'll learn some essential Japanese greetings. Pronunciation, koh ni chiwa. Use this to say hello during the daytime. Good morning. In Japanese, ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Pronunciation, ohayo gozaimasu. This is a polite way to greet someone in the morning. 3. Good evening in Japanese, konbanha, konbanwa. Pronunciation, konbanwa. Use this to greet someone in the evening. 4. Good night in Japanese, oyasuminasai, oyasuminasai. Pronunciation, oyasuminasai. Say this before going to bed or bidding someone good night. Go. Thank you in Japanese, arigatou gozaimasu, arigatou gozaimasu. Pronunciation, arigato gozaimasu. This is a formal way to express gratitude. 6. Goodbye. In Japanese, sayonara, sayonara. Pronunciation, sayonara. Use this for formal goodbyes. Practice exercise. Repeat each greeting 3 times to get the correct pronunciation. Try using them in sentences. For example, konnichiwa. My name is Nabar. Ohayo gozaimasu. How are you today?